Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ridwan Ahmed Shidan. I come from a small and beautiful village named Kandania under Fulbaria Upazila of Mymensingh district, Bangladesh. Currently, I live in Jefferson Smart City, Shower, to pursue my dream in technology. I am a student of computer science and engineering at Jefferson International University. I completed my SSC from Asim Ahmed High School, achieving a GPA of 5 out of 5, and my SSC from Asim Shahabuddin College with a GPA of 4.83 out of 5. Along my academic studies, I am also a proud member of the CPC Club and Air Beer Club at DL. Right now, I am a beginner in Python programming and I am continuously working to improve. Since childhood, I have always been passionate and developing games and apps, which is the main reason I chose CSC as my subject. After graduation, my goal is become a skilled app and game developer, and eventually I want to establish my own IT firm to create innovative and impactful tech solution. Thank you for watching my video resume. I am excited about the future and I am ready to work hard and grow in the tech world.